My name is Augustina Skoda.
My name is Yukon Kim.
Hi, my name is Russell Elliott.
This is Eric.
And this is our submission for the Plivo project. So Russell, you can explain the login.
Cool. Yeah, so here's the login screen. A user can sign in with their Google account, and at the bottom, they can check a box if they're an admin.
Yep, so if you're a new account never signed in before, if you want to indicate you're an admin, you check this box so that when you sign in with Google that you are an admin. For now, we're going to sign into an admin account right now. Go through this, and now we're signed in. So we'll start with the video call. I guess Russell, take it away.
Yeah, here's the video call, which uses, the whereby sort of embedded, the whereby, yeah. So the video call uses whereby it's an embedded service, it has video, chat, stuff like that.
Yeah, and what we can do, Russell can actually join the channel too. So we can, you want to show that? Yep. There he is.
I mean, I'm already joined, I just got to turn on the video.
Yep,
There we go.
So you can talk with an admin if you need to talk with video. There we go. And he can hear each other too.
Yeah.
All that works.
There's also a chat window.
Yep, there it is. So we can talk to that too. Then we have the location stuff. I guess you want to explain this to you, Russell?
Yeah, sure. Okay. This is also a location. It takes the user's latitude and longitude. For now, it displays it on the screen. I haven't figured out how to integrate it with the rest of the app.
Yep, and then we have the photo.
Yeah.
Thing, the picture.
I mean, yeah, and the geolocation in combination of the photo would be used sort of to display the user and their location to the admin.
And then here we have the inbox feature. As you see, we already have some messages from here already. For this, we're going to switch to an account that is not an admin account. So here we have John Doe. This is his email, completely empty inbox. So what we can do is the inbox, use email.js. You can compose an email. This will display the amount of admins there are. So right now it's just me, but if there were multiple admins, it would display multiple buttons. Select an admin, do a topic, do like, let's say, broken phone. You can type, hello, my phone is broken. Can you help me? You can clear the page if you need to, go back. Now I can just do send email. Email's been sent, so if we go back to this, we refresh. As you can see, we have a message from John Doe, subject broken phone, sent on that date. We can view the email, see what is said, and we can even reply to it. As you can see, we're replying to John Doe, and you can see the message from John Doe, so you can see when you need to reply. You can say, hello, John Doe. Yes, I can help you. What do you need? So there we go. Send email. So now you sent to the reply. So now if we go back to John Doe, refresh. I can see now there is the reply. View email, same thing, all that stuff. And just trying really fast. Let's say you were typing, you want to clear page, back, all that stuff. Now we can go to the global chat. And Parsec can take it away from here.
So for this one, once you log in, each user can type a message, and it can be anyone can type a message and it'll show up here. And each message is saved as a document in Firebase, and it contains the text user ID, a timestamp, and the specific message. It also makes a query to the database for the most recent messages. So whenever data changes in the backend, the React app will update with the most recent messages on the front end in real time.
And I guess as well as to quickly prove that an email did in fact send, you can see John Doe message. And then I guess Eric, you want to explain sort of your ideas for the text messaging app?
Okay, so my idea for the text messaging app is so first we don't really need we only need account to send to a specific number. So we don't, for Twilio, we only need 2 numbers, and any account using the using the text message component would use the sender phone number and then send to the recipient phone number, and they'll send their own text along with their mail.
Yeah,
That's for the
but yeah, so he actually had it completed and working, but we had issues integrating it into our application as some of the dependencies were conflicting with others and would just cause the thing to break. So while we did get it working, we couldn't implement it with us. And I'd say for me personally, a big hurdle for me with this project was the fact that when it was assigned, my school started, so I didn't have as much time as I wanted to, I guess, dedicate to the project. I guess if everyone else wants to say something that happened as well. I'll show what this was supposed to be if you want to explain it, Parsec.
Okay, so this was supposed to be a personalized support chat. So when you open it, you're given an email form for the user to log in. And once you log in, you're connected to an admin in the back. So after you log in, using React Transition, the user gets a personalized chat experience right there, which was built using Chat Engine Framework. But for some reason, the Chat Engine Framework is like outdated or something went wrong and it's not really loading right now. But basically, these chat messages were supposed to be rendered in real time for the user and for the admin page, which in the admin page will consist of multiple users and their individual chat rooms so you can monitor them. And yeah, that's basically what the support chat was supposed to be.
Yeah, we all had a bunch of great ideas about features we could implement and how to implement it, but we weren't able to commit as much time as for a lot of us had work, school, family commitments. So this is what we put together. And as for the chatbot AI, it's the same case where this week I've been completely busy with school and people have been really busy as well, so we weren't able to work on that. But other than that, I'm proud of what we've built here. Does anyone else have anything else to add before we, I guess, call it?
Yeah, I think it's a great way to wrap up what we've been doing.
Yeah, I'd say so too. I'm proud of what we've done. All right, thank
Yeah.
you.